What is going on? How you guys doing? It's me, Corey Norris, and we back in the building again. Thanks for checking out my channel, Direct Pay Marketing. We're going to jump right into it. We want to talk about the strategy of Facebook marketing when it comes to Infinity Processing System and how to promote the system so that way you get the best, the best outcome out of what you're doing and putting forth with your day-to-day actions when it comes to Affinity Processing System. Excuse me, got a little itch there. But so what I want to go over in this video is how I've used the power of sharing your story and the pre-written ads that they give you to be able to attract people to your posts and to your content, so that way it makes them want to ask you for more information. So I'm here in the Facebook marketing strategy system, uh, how you say, training in the back office. Excuse me, it's been a rough start for me. So anyway, we're gonna go on with the training. So what I've done was I went in here and I'm using the power of sharing the story, because your story is powerful. It lets people know who you are, where you come from, what hurdles and obstacles you've came through, how you can help them come through those same obstacles. It makes them connect with you and who you are as a person, and it builds that like, know, and trust. So that way, when they like, know, and trust you, and you build that with your audience and you become trustworthy, then they don't mind spending and buying whatever opportunity that you have to promote or offer. Maybe not everything, but they have no problem with getting with you and joining with you in your opportunity. So I'm going to go over into the Facebook and I'm going to show you where I've shared my story. I posted this 20 hours ago. It says, I am so excited that I have found this opportunity to learn how to do digital marketing and start having time freedom. I enjoy being a full-time dad, an ex-manufacturer worker. When I used to work at a manufacturing plant, I've never had time to watch my other kids grow. But since I found this digital marketing, I have been able to watch this little girl grow and watch her change as she grows through life, knowing that I am there with her every day through it makes me feel even better as a parent. No more getting up to go clock in. I get up now, work my 3 hours a day on my digital marketing business, and spend the rest of the time at the park with this little girl here. Now that's my story. That's part of my story. I used to be ex-manufacturer. I used to work in a manufacturing plant, building manufactured homes, and I was in there sun up, sun down. I became a team lead. I started to become a supervisor in my role in my position. So I would be there from 5 o'clock in the morning till 5:30, sometimes 6 o'clock in the evening. I had no time. I spent a lot of energy in that place. I loved what I was doing. I actually had to stop working there just because I got sick. I've been sick with lupus and I didn't know it. So it's an autoimmune deficiency. So when that hit me, things started really going bad, and I ended up having to not work no more. And I found this opportunity because I wanted to continue to support my family and help my wife, my helpmate, out and make sure that she don't feel that she's alone in this. So I shared my story, and then right here, if I show you how you can generate profit while at home, it's not trading, it's not crypto, it's not multi-level marketing. All you need is internet, a desire to win, and a few hours a day. If you want to learn more, comment I'm in. And then I use some hashtags: manufacturer worker, work from home dad. So that way I can also attract those people in those fields, because that's where I come from and I can more connect with them. Knowing your customer and shrinking down the size of your targeted audience which she went, the creator of Infinity Processing System, went over in the coaching group on how to narrow down and target your audience and see who you can better serve and be a subservient for. Because that's what you want to do, be able to serve people and put value and give value. I hope this is valuable. So with this, over in the back office, I shared with the power of sharing my story. We'll go over into the pre-written ads. And I'm going to go all the way down because I use one of these images. You see? Excuse me. Give me a second. Let me take care of my baby. Alright, so right here it says, I teach you how you can generate profit while at home. It's not trading, not crypto, not multi-level marketing. All you need is internet, the desire to win in a few hours a day. If you want to learn more, comment below. I'm interested. I put I'm in. And I changed it from if I teach you, I'll put to if I show you how to generate. You just want to kind of switch it up so that way it better fits you and manifests who you are. So I use that also. Down here in the bottom is what the pre-written ad is. And I'll put a picture of me and my baby girl. We were at the day having a park. And as you can see, I'm going to click over into the comments. We had quite a good few people. Yeah, man, you a hard worker. I'm in. Asking for the information. I'm in. So as you can see, using those pre-written ads actually attract the customer to you, so you're not running to sell and tell anything to them, and then you over inside of your training. Let's go way on back up here real quick. That's a lot of ads. It gives you what to say when someone asks you about the opportunity. You have a 6-figure closing script that shows you and teaches you on how to close and give someone information on the Infinity Processing System and the material. So that's an awesome thing to be able to have, is a closing script. So when you're new to this, you know how to talk with someone and close your deal, so that way you can make a sale. But you want to vet the client and make sure that they're a perfect fit, because this is not for everyone and everyone is not for it. But using the closing script, you can be able to close deals and start generating those $300 a day. So I think that's very powerful. And what I like also, and I use every day, is a 7-day action plan to success. And it tells you what you should be doing every day and how to be what you should be posting every day. So that way you know exactly what to do. You don't feel lost and left behind, or like, oh man, what did I do today? I did that yesterday. So it keeps you kind of in track with the income producing activities. These are things that's going to help you increase your income and bring more fruitfulness. But for what you put out. Excuse me, my baby girl over here making some woo woo noises. I tell you, I'm an at-home dad and I enjoy what I'm doing here. But it's enjoyable to grow up with her and be able to be here and watch her grow. I don't know if you guys can hear in the background, but not to fall off subject, I want to run over and show you guys the products and how to get started with Infinity Processing System. My link is in the bottom if you want to get started with this. So what they have is a $50 startup, a $150 elite, The $300 Pro, which is highly recommended because when you come in at the $300 level, you're gonna be able to receive the $150 and the $50 payment. There is a $39 admin fee that gets your website fee, and there's no monthly fee, so it's a one and done, and it's a direct member to member sale. So whatever payment processor you choose to use, you'll be able to collect and receive payments through there. The $300 level is going to give you um, so much more training in the background, and the way you will pay. I have PayPal and Stripe. So if you want to check this out for yourself and see how you can start posting ads and join the many other teammates that's using this system to generate day-to-day income, hit the link in the bottom of the description. I have my Facebook list description in the bottom also. Get with me. Let me know when you are ready to join. If you join under me, you're going to have ongoing guidance and support. And I hope to see you guys on the inside. I'll see you guys later.